Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to join Shopify affiliate. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. First of all, go to your search bar and search for Shopify affiliate like this. And here, second link, you can see Shopify affiliate marketing program. Just click on that. And here you can read a bunch of and here you can read this front page right here so you get the idea of how the Shopify affiliate works. And if you're done, you can just hit apply right here. And then this new window will pop up that will ask you to sign up. And here you can also see the contract terms. Like for example, your payout depends on the country, like this. Okay, once you read all that, just hit accept. And here you can sign up with your account. So I'm just gonna click my Google account since I'm gonna use my sample Google account here. And after that, you will need to enter your code in your registered mobile number. And then you can also click to save this device in order to prevent Shopify from logging you out. And you just name your device like this or anything you want, and then just hit verify. So inside you can see the same contract right here, and you can even print this if you want so you can read it more clearly. And once you're here, you've successfully created your Shopify account affiliate. I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.